Good morning, traders. Alla Peter's Pleasure on the last day trading room is open this week to recap all of the events because market is bullish clearly since last 2 weeks in December, where we discussed with students institutional points of entry. But if you are a retail trader who is trading your own little account, Alpha Fibonacci software for day trading is a phenomenal tool. Alpha Fibonacci software identified pre-market stunning flawless point of entry. When the bold green zone is present, in price identifies entry, stop, and targets. Do not forget where to exit your trade. If you can drive, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci software as long as you obey critical key rules. This morning at the market open price no longer the buy point. This morning at the market open price at critical key retail sell point. But what does the intelligent trader understands? Institutions remain long. So if you decide to jump on short, it's a little junky counter trend move. It's the only option that's present right now. I'm projecting the software on 1 minute chart. It's in front of you now. So what is the price spelling out as we discussed with my brilliant intelligent traders? This is the only option now. You cannot buy if you're trading your own account. This is retail morning. So when the market will give you spectacular pullback, it's the only option. There is no other option. So who are the traders who can afford to short the markets? Traders who doubled and tripled their accounts. Traders who understand this is counter-institutional move. So if you took the trade, this is a critical key target. You do not speculate. Software projected on 1 minute charts. Trades play out on multiple charts. This is a critical key chart we're discussing in class after the close of the trading room. There is nothing else that's possible, only this. And price can be stuck here for hours. And it doesn't matter what chart you trade, the junky bearish pullback play out. And we discussed this with students well before market open. That's it. That's the precision of this system. And that's entirely different market now as price reached retail reversal zone. So if I convert this chart to 5 to any chart you choose to trade, this is the market now. Overextended bullish rally is stuck at exact same critical place we discussed with students. There is nothing else. Market in pain. Institutional traders holding longs. Institutional traders riding the power. This is a moment market can remain in pain. Buying overextended institutional rally this high is not a brilliant move. Price can be stuck for hours. So this is what we discussed with students since December. This is where day trading was a bliss. So if I take you back in case you missed the events before Christmas, this was the only year when Hanukkah and Christmas overlapped. So when I'm leaving for vacation, we're discussing with my brilliant traders, this is an intelligent place to buy from, not to short the market. Look what played out after spectacular sell-off. You are very well prepared. You understand. This is where institutional orders sitting and waiting to be filled. Institutional traders don't pull a trigger. Institutional traders don't place multiple trades per day. So if you're riding institutional power, you are not shorting near. You're looking to buy from. The next day, institutional orders are filled. This was the week before Christmas. Non-stop. Does this look familiar? My goodness! You don't have to wait for days, weeks, and months to see the power of the system. You see it in front of you every single day on little chunky 1 minute chart. But it breaks my heart when traders call me and say they trade only 1 minute chart. Ouch! If you're trading your own little $500, $5,000, or $50,000 account, you cannot trade only single little retail chart. You need to use your brilliant, intelligent brain. This is a place you bought market from. This is a place you never short it into. Today, at the end of January, we're no longer at institutional buy point. Today, at the end of January, price reminded yesterday stunning, powerful event when market was bought again, when market did not crush. Bullish rally is on, but trading this requires ultimate skill. Institutional traders adding to their longs. Bearish pullbacks are junky and weak. Nothing else is possible this morning, only this. And this can last hours. How you managing these markets will define your success forever. Trading institutional over extended rallies requires ultimate intelligent strategic brain. With Alpha Fibonacci rules, the skies are the limit. If institutions buying the market, you understand the power of this. You using your brilliant intelligent brain. You waiting for the green zone. And you entering your position with power and confidence. None of that is present now. Now there is only pain. And that makes a world of difference when you separate pain from power. That's it. Crash is the only good news. Without crash, only junky bearish pullback are present when ultimate precision is crucial. And it doesn't matter if it's 1 or 3 or 10 or 15. When price comes to reversal zone, entering bullish position is not an option. If you do, you're gambling with your money. And that's the power of the system. Separate pain from spectacular trading. Avoid the pain. Use your brilliant brain. That's it. That's retail and institutional trading. Junky bearish pullbacks are the only option. There is nothing else. So again, institutional traders holding longs, institutional traders adding to their position. But on retail chart, we reached reversal zone. But bearish pullbacks are junky. That's what's playing out currently. That's it. Nothing else is possible. Only this. Retail morning is here. Retail junkie open is present. That's it. Market is stuck. Sell-off is a gift. Without it, trading becomes gambling. Without it, it's extremely limited trading range. This can last for hours. This can last for days. Institutions enjoying spectacular profits. But how market did not crash yesterday at the market close is a stunning reminder. Only if you trade with institutions you can become successful. That's it. It's identical formula across all instruments. So I love to hear from my students who say day trading is not for me, but I use system to buy property in Paris when euro reached ultimate low. Let me remind you what euro looked like in September. So when our student leaves to buy and moves to Paris, it's music to my ears. That's it. This is September. You are very well prepared. Your timing market's just right. And if you love to buy real estate in Europe and Paris, of course, it's a stunning place to be. I was interested in Canada. I went to Canada to buy real estate. Do you know why? Because US dollar at historical high. So when day trading is not for you, use system long term. US dollar 40% higher. But do you see similarity on US dollar versus S&P this morning? My goodness, it's all the same. Here comes powerful bearish pullback. To the downside, this level is crucial. You using your brilliant strategic brain. So it broke my heart when real estate sales to American became banned. Ouch. And as you will see in a single class, US dollar only in bearish correction. 132 is crucial. As I love working with Forex traders and a hedge fund manager in Dubai who manages multi-million-dollar portfolio trading Alpha Fibonacci System in Switzerland and London as well. Not day trading, as Forex the most expensive trading instrument on the planet. So if you do not understand risk management, you have a lot to learn. Tesla was in exact same place, and it melted my soul when Richard said I saved his retirement account. $12 million position on Tesla long. Non-stop emails still pouring. Here is Tesla before the crash. So please remember, day trading not for everyone, but anyone can trade system long term. That's it. It's pure and simple. This never gets old. It's absolutely your personal choice what you will decide to trade. So when Tesla crashed for 400 until 115. Anyone surprised where Tesla reversing from? Are you buying the bottom on Tesla? Here's the latest update from Richard. He's saving his retirement account on Tesla just fine. And here's another email from Ron, pouring non-stop. That's it. So you decide if you want to trade Tesla or if you want to day trade S&P. Absolutely your personal choice. Each and every day you decide what you want to trade. And that never gets old. It's not about day trading. Trading room is open so you can see system instantly without any delays. As S&P doing exact same thing as Tesla, as Euro, as USD CAD. 4,045 is a key level to the downside. If S&P remains stuck at this level, it's correction only, which confirms institutional longs. But again, it doesn't matter if it's 5, if it's 10, if it's 15. Choice is yours. And if I go back to a day before, in case you missed the events, this is S&P on day before. Bullish rally in the progress. This is US market close. When market skyrocketed with vengeance, when market been bought. But do not forget where it's crushed from, please. Non-stop. That's the power of predictive precision of Alpha Fibonacci system. That's it. So when you start using your brilliant, intelligent, limitless brain, the sky's are the limit. It's absolutely your choice. If you want to trade Tesla, you're trading as intelligent, strategic trader. All instruments, all time frames, all platforms. No software required. Never, ever, ever. Always software for Ninja Trader 8. So here's one of the top hedge funds in US that's down 68%. Cassie Wood's been buying Tesla. And my goodness, oh no, kept buying Bitcoin and keep buying Coinbase. Do you want to try to trust your financial advisor? Do you want to trust top hedge fund managers in US? Or do you want to use your brilliant brain? You decide, choice is yours. Half of the course currently financial advisors, hedge fund managers. The other half of the course retail traders. It's absolutely your personal choice what you will decide to trade. If you can drive, if you can stay in your lane, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system. One mom with two little babies at home trading Nasdaq, the most volatile future anyone can. And what is so spectacular in this email? Everything you thought is 1000%, but only experience shows why you thought as you did. Yet another successful trading day. 40 points on Nasdaq. Oh, this beautiful game of chess. Patience rewarded, wait calmly for signs. Jennifer's husband brought her to the course. And that simplicity of the system. And that's how intelligent trader trades. It all starts with staying in your lane. Ken, my dearest friend for life trading Bitcoin, took advantage of riding Bitcoin to the upside, not to the downside. That's it. So if you want to trade Bitcoin, you're trading a lot better than Cassie Woods. You shorted Bitcoin last year. You knew all of this far in advance. Since November 2021, you exited your long. You did not cry yourself to sleep. Broke my heart when I received very tearful phone call from retired doctor who kept listening to hype and noise because he's been told that Bitcoin going to 100. Maybe in the next life, not in this one. So if you cannot afford to lose 6 billion on Bitcoin in one day, you are done listening to hype. You are done listening to noise. You start using your brilliant brain and you start making an effort. Because the sky's the limit. If you make an effort, you can trade like Ken, you can trade like Jennifer, you can trade like Richard. Because do you know who is holding the bar very, very high? Complete beginner traders who are joining the course. So when Dominic's father, hedge fund manager in London, keeps updating me on spectacular performance, he has zero interest in day trading. He's managing multi-million-dollar retirement accounts just fine. But his 14-year-old son Dominic loves to day trade the system. During lockdown, he thought that keeping himself busy with day trading the system is a beautiful, intelligent thing to do. Only you know what's appropriate for you. I can't wait to be back in London, to see Ken again, to see Andy, to see Dominic, to see Greg, to see Robin, to see our incredible London team. This is what it's all about for me. And that's what we will be focusing on in the next class. So if you're ready to trade as an intelligent trader, all I'm asking you is make an effort. And when you do, the sky's the limit. Traders from 14 to 90-year-old plus, trading system across all instruments. Much better than Michael Saylor, much better than Kathy Woods. So when you start using your brilliant brain with Alpha Fibonacci system, you know far in advance where reversal zone is present. You're not buying into. You're looking for reversal. That's the reason I named it reversal. And it doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, it doesn't matter if it's Tesla, if it's Euro, if it's Pound, if it's US dollar. It's all the same. You decide how to take advantage of this. Pure and simple. So again, please remember I'm projecting software on 1-minute chart, shorts played out on multiple charts. Currently short reached reversal zone, where we expect powerful buying to step in from. This is a moment trader uses brilliant intelligent brain, understanding that this is critical key moment in the markets. Powerful buying will be very important at this moment. If sell-off ends here, an institution step in already, you are not surprised. After all, it's reversal zone on short. After all, it's a bold green line. This is how you use your brilliant intelligent brain and trade markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess. So the most desirable traders are the ones who play chess. If you are classical piano player, you're in front of the line. Second, chess. Third, poker. That's the final stage of the interview. That's it. Because this is the moment you're using your intelligent brain. No one interested in hiring gamblers. The way you do one thing in life is the way you do everything. And that's a crucial key part. If you can play chess, your brain programmed for intelligent strategic trading only. That's it. Powerful buying is a beautiful thing. This is your retail trading range. Without powerful buying, nothing here to do. So that's it. That's what you witness in the trading room. Ultimate precision in live market conditions. You start understanding that only if you trade markets as strategic, proactive, intelligent trader, you can become successful. With the power of Alpha Fibonacci system and Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8, you can do both. You can manage your long-term positions, you can trade stocks, you can trade Forex, you can trade crypto, and you can day trade, especially if you're using Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8. All the discussions in the live class next, where we do deep dive into institutional trading. That's it. So when you write institutional power, you're trading with drastically higher success rate. You removing stress, you removing gambling from your subconscious. You strategize, you live and breathe and trade as top 1% does. This is all I know. This is all I teach. This is who I raised. Nothing less. Do not overcomplicate trading. Do not rely on junky little indicators. If hedge fund traders do not trade $99 indicator, free indicator, or cover blanket, it's sign of insecurity. The answer lies in your limitless, magnificent, strategic, intelligent you. Can you do that? Can you rely on you? If you can, you start understanding the best things in the market are simple and based on pure price for entry and alpha Fibonacci for exits. So please sign up for the trading room invitation if you'd like to see system and software in the live markets. Review everything on the website. As it's shown clearly, you can trade it all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, or software for NinjaTrader 8. Listen to students' podcasts, waiting list of students to do the podcast. View students' emails. More and more emails coming every day. I cannot post tens of thousands of emails, but I promise you our traders trading retirement accounts. I promise you our traders in US and more than 50 countries trading it all. Every trade a different instrument, every trade a different time frame. It's absolutely your personal choice what you want to trade. Can you trade Forex? Of course you can. Can you trade Bitcoin? Absolutely. So please review and listen. If complete beginner Pablo can do this after a couple of weeks in the course, and Pablo doubled his wife's retirement account, so can you. Simply use your brilliant, intelligent brain. If Brett can support family of five making $10 an hour at Best Buy before, so can you. That's it. And that's our global community of traders all over the world. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298. All the options available in front of you on our homepage. Private mentoring, the most desirable option. Private mentoring currently overbooked. Only if you speak with me. Only if you can work with my schedule, I can work with yours. Second option, the most popular option, savings $5,000. NinjaTrader software and lifetime system for all platforms included with live classes, video library module, trading room. 300 video plus in member area where students from all over the world enjoying the videos. You do not have to come to live classes. That's it. Much more details on the product section. So thank you traders so much for spectacular morning. I look forward working with you. If you're ready to trade as JP Morgan traders, whom I mentored, who left JP Morgan and started their own fund, I look forward working with you. I teach you identical strategy. Thank you, traders.